If you want to open or create hundreds of, thousands of folders and subfolders within a click, then this video trick is really for you. Here in our Excel file, you can see 20 names are there. I want 20 folders with these names and 3 subfolders inside each of the main folders. So, take all the data or names you have like this. Go to the second row. Type MD. Double quotation and the name, then slash and subfolder name. I need 3 subfolders named Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Just write exactly as shown. Come to the second column. And press Ctrl and E. All are there with respective data. Highlight all and copy. Now go to a folder. Create a text document and rename it. Paste everything you copied. Simply come to Save As. Delete TXT and add CMD. Save. Now you see the CMD file. You can delete text file. Simply double-click on the CMD file. Just within a second, see the magic. 20 folders are created along with 3 subfolders inside each and every main folder. So this is how you can create or open thousands or millions of folders and subfolders easily. If you practice more and more, this will be easier for you to do quickly. Please be with us and also subscribe for more informative and useful videos like this. Goodbye.